Hello everybody, welcome back to All Things Jazzy. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these oh so good fried green tomatoes. Okay, so hopping right into it, I'm just going to go ahead and slice these tomatoes up. I am going to slice off 4 of them. So now that they are all sliced up, I'm just going to use a paper towel to just block them all dry. Still make sure that they're not wet. And we're going to start by dipping the tomatoes in the flour and then dip them into some egg mixture I have here, and then go ahead and dip them in breadcrumbs. My daughter just gave me a plate because I totally forgot. I just want to add them to the plate. And we're just going to do the same thing for each and every one of them just to get them all coated. Okay, so now that they are all coated, I do have my skillet here. I have it heating. Does anybody else put their hand over the grease to make sure that it's hot and ready? It's just something I learned from my grandmother that I still do to this day, years and years later. Okay, so I have already started putting them in the pan, so I'm just going to put these in the pan and let them fry on each side. Once I see the edges start to get golden, I will go ahead and flip them over. Okay, so it only took a few minutes for these to get golden. Well, I didn't count the time, sorry, just have to eyeball it. So I'm going to go ahead and flip them over and just let them cook a few minutes on the other side. Okay, so I do have a lined pan here with paper towels that I am putting these on to let the grease drain. Okay, so these, for dipping sauce for these, I did mix some buffalo wing sauce and some ranch dressing. So good. Let me know below how you eat your green tomatoes. What type of dipping sauce do you use? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.